So I'm gonna make a quick little video just in case anybody has the trouble I may have had of not ever installing a wireless plug-in doorbell kit. I got this Defiant wireless plug-in doorbell kit. It came with 2 wireless push buttons, a transmitter, which it says it range is 100 feet, which is perfect for my location. The push buttons did come with these crazy batteries. I didn't have to install them, they're already installed, but I don't know how easy they will be to find. I've never seen a CR2032 battery in my life, or if I have, I've never called it that. But I'm pretty sure you can find them at one of them battery pluses, or maybe even Home Depot, like where I got this. This was a $34 kit, and it says it was pretty simple. You plug it in, it has these little like grip tapes that'll go on the back of the push button basically, and you just stick it to wherever you desire as long as it's in the 100 feet range. So I'm going to show you basically what I did, show you the little chime sound. It's not the loudest, but it works for my location. I don't need it to be far. Don't got a huge area I'm going to be in. So let me show you where I put the buttons and where the plug-in transmitter is, and hopefully this helps anybody who's got any questions about it. Alright, so here's my transmitter. I plugged it right near the door where I plugged the first of the push buttons, and then basically about its range 100 feet over, I put it at our other entrance door. I will say it has this little button on the side. I don't know if you can see it yet down there. You can switch the tune of basically your doorbell ringing, or you can, I'm thinking like add another push button device. So if you have 3 entryways, you can basically add another one. I'm going to show you these buttons and then basically press the button so you can hear the sound. And yeah, I hope it does help somebody. Here's this doorbell button, and see, it's just basically simple. I attach it to this little thing. Hopefully I can still take this off if need be. I don't know if we need it, but basically, so you just press the button, and I just got a single little chime to let me know, because I don't want to hear doom 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 all the time. I'd rather it just be like a little cell phone alert. And then I'm going to show you this other one at the far end, and that way basically I can maybe show you the distance, but you can see how far away it even works. Alright, there's my transmitting device right there. Just to show you the distance basically, I'm just going to walk right down this little hallway, go right to this back door you see, open it up, there's the brightness, here's my doorbell right here. I don't know if we'll hear it from here. Probably not, there's trucks over there, but basically I'll show you in another test. You can hear it a little bit. I'm gonna leave this camera so you can see that right there. I'm gonna aim it so you can see me walking towards that door. That way you can see the range. Like I said, I don't need very far. I mean, that might be even a little under 100 feet, but I'm gonna show you just so you can see and hear it. This one is a different tune, the back door. I didn't reprogram that, I just noticed that. But you can reprogram if you would like. Now, to do the test. That's how easy it is. Basically, plug in, install both of those, just make sure you're in that range. And yeah, it's good to go. I hope this video helped anybody who needed it. If not, I just hope it was a good little watch. Maybe you can think about in your new place that you just want a wireless doorbell ringer, and here you go. Here's a video to show you that it's that easy to install. Have a good one.